So what's up guys, it's your boy Desi TV. Welcome back sa channel ko. Pag-uusapan tayo ngayon which is top 10 popular motorcycles in Philippines. Ito kasi madalas ko makita sa daan kapag bumabiyahe ako. Kaya ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung mga basic info sa mga motor. So guys, itong video na to ay para sa mga taong gustong bumili ng bagong motor. Lalo na ngayon, nabawal ang public transport, mga jeep, tricycle, or kahit ano pa man yan. Marami yung tatanong sa akin kung ano ba yung magandang pangmasa na motor. So ito guys, gumawa na ako ng video, sana mapanood nyo ito. Nilist ko itong mga motor na to in no particular order. So huwag kayong magalit kung wala dito yung motor nyo. So yun guys, simulan na natin. Number 1, alam naman natin lahat, madalas mo talaga ito makikita sa daan kahit saang parte ng lugar ng Pilipinas. Meron ito. Number 1, Yamaha NMAX. Ang price nito ay 109 to 119,000 depende sa motorcycle dealer na pagkukuhanan nyo kung mura nyo siya makukuha or mahal. Meron itong 2 variants which is ABS or anti-lock braking system and standard. Ang displacement nito ay 155cc. Meron itong power na 15 horsepower. At ang engine type nito ay single cylinder, liquid cooled, 4-stroke, single overhead cam, and 4 valves. Ang fuel capacity nito ay 6.6 liters at ang fuel consumption nito ay 35 km per liter. Meron itong 4 color variants: white, blue, midnight black, at gunmetal gray. So next naman tayo guys, Yamaha Mio Aerox. Ang price nito ay 102,900 to 122,900. Meron itong 3 variants which is standard version, S-ABS, and the special S-Doxu. Ang displacement nito ay 155cc. Ang power nito ay 14.7 horsepower. At ang engine type niya ay single cylinder, liquid cooled, 4-stroke, single overhead cam, and 4 valves. Meron itong fuel capacity na 4.6 liters at ang fuel consumption niya ay 38 km per liter. Meron itong 3 color variant sa standard. Yun ay Race Blue, Vibrant Orange, at Black Raven. Meron naman dalawa sa ABS, Matte Blue and Matte White. At meron isa sa S-Doxu. Sa pangatlo naman tayo guys, Honda Click 125i. 76,900. Isa lang yung variant niya which is standard. At meron itong displacement 125cc. Meron itong power na 11 horsepower. At ang engine type niya ay single cylinder, liquid cooled, 4-stroke, single overhead cam, and ESP. Meron itong fuel capacity na 5.5 liters. At ang fuel consumption nito ay 53 km per liter. Meron tong 4 na color variants which is black, red, orange, and blue. Next naman guys, Honda Beat. Itong Honda Beat na to yung pinaka-tipid para sa akin na motor. Marami rin akong mga kaibigan na gumagamit ng Honda Beat, kaya talagang mare-refer ko to sa inyo guys. Ang price ng Honda Beat ay 66,900 to 70,400. Meron itong 3 variants which is Honda Beat Street, Honda Beat CBS, Honda Beat Fashion Sport. Meron itong displacement 110cc. Engine nito ay single cylinder, air-cooled, 4-stroke, single overhead cam. At ang fuel capacity nito ay 4.0 liters. At ang fuel consumption nito ay 62.3 km per liter. Marami siyang color per variant, pero ito yung madalas kong makita sa daan: black, tsaka yung white. So next guys, Honda Click 150i. Ang price nito ay 98,900. Meron lang itong isang variant which is standard. At ang displacement nito ay 150cc. At ang power nito ay 13 horsepower. Ang engine, single cylinder, liquid cooled, 4-stroke, single overhead cam, and ESP. Meron itong fuel capacity na 5.5 liters. At ang fuel consumption nito ay 52 km per liter. Meron itong 4 na color variants which is brown, black, red, and white. So guys, yung next natin yung ginagamit kong motor which is Yamaha Mio Soul i 125. Ang price nito ay 79,900 to 83,900. Meron itong 2 variants which is standard version and S variant. Ang displacement nito ay 125cc at ang power nito ay 9.3 horsepower. At ang engine type niya ay single cylinder, air-cooled, 4-stroke, single overhead cam, and 2 valves. Ang fuel capacity nito ay 4.2 liters and ang fuel consumption niya ay 38 kilometers per liter. Meron itong tatlong color for standard, violet, vibrant orange, and matte black. And tatlo naman sa S, which is burgundy, matte gray, and matte green. So next guys, Yamaha MIUI 125. Ang price nito ay 71,900 to 75,900. Meron itong dalawang variant, which is standard version and an S variant. Ang displacement nito ay 125cc at meron itong power na 9.3 horsepower. At ang engine type niya ay single cylinder, air-cooled, 4-stroke, single overhead cam, and 2 valve. Meron itong fuel capacity na 4.2 liters at ang fuel consumption niya ay 38 kilometers per liter. Meron itong 6 na color variants, which is black, yellow, white, orange, blue, and last pink. Next naman guys, Yamaha YZF R15. Ang price nito ay 164,000. Meron itong dalawang variant, which is standard version and an S variant. At ang displacement nito ay 155cc at meron itong power na 19 horsepower. Ang engine type nito ay single cylinder, 4-stroke, full valve, and liquid cooled, single overhead cam. Meron itong fuel capacity na 11 liters at ang fuel consumption nito ay 40 to 45 kilometers per liter. Merong dalawang color variant sa standard, which is black and race blue, and 3 colors naman para sa S variant, which is track white, adrenaline red, and spark green. So next guys, Suzuki SkyDrive Sport. Ito yung madalas na ginagamit pang lalamove, pang grab, kasi sobrang lawak ng space nito sa harapan, marami kang malalagay, and malapad talaga siya guys. Ang price nito ay 67,900 at ang displacement niya ay 113cc at meron itong power na 9 horsepower at ang engine type niya ay single cylinder, 4-stroke, 2 valve, air-cooled, and single overhead cam. At meron itong fuel capacity na 3.6 liters and ang fuel consumption nito ay 42 kilometers per liter. Meron itong tatlong color variant, which is silver, pink, and matte black. So lastly guys, Suzuki Raider 150. Ang price nito ay 109,900. Meron itong dalawang variant, which is FI and carb. Ang displacement nito ay 147.3cc at ang power nito ay 18 horsepower at ang engine type nito ay single cylinder, 4-stroke, full valve, liquid cooled, dual overhead camshafts. Meron itong fuel capacity na 4 liters at ang fuel consumption niya ay 40 to 45 kilometers per liter. Meron itong tatlong color per variant, which is sa FII, black, red, and MotoGP. And sa carb naman ay black, yellow, red, and combat series. So yun guys, tapos na tayo. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Click like and subscribe. Desi out.